Want an easy garden after 50? Start with these 7 vegetables you can plant right now, simple, low maintenance, and perfect for this season. Right now, cool season vegetables are the easiest to grow. They need less effort, grow quickly, and give you a great start without feeling overwhelming. Lettuce is one of the easiest vegetables to grow. It grows quickly and requires minimal space. You can even grow it in containers close to your kitchen. Radishes are one of the fastest growing vegetables. You can harvest them in just a few weeks, which makes them very rewarding. Spinach is one of those easy wins in the garden. It loves the cool weather, grows fast, and really doesn't ask for much from you. Most bugs tend to leave it alone, which makes things even easier. You can tuck it right into a container or a small space and still get a nice harvest. If you're planting early in the season, this is a great one to start with. Kale is very hardy and continues growing even in cooler temperatures. It's one of the most dependable crops. Carrots are one of those crops that are easier than people expect. They do really well in cool soil, and if you don't have a big garden, you can grow them in a nice deep pot. They take a bit longer to grow, so you'll need a little patience, but once you pull them up, it's completely worth it. Peas are such a great choice for early gardening. They love the cooler weather and are really satisfying to harvest. There's something about picking those fresh pods that just feels rewarding. They also help your soil by adding nitrogen back into it, which is a nice bonus for whatever you plant next. If you grow them on a trellis, they're easy to pick without all the bending, which makes a big difference. Especially if you're trying to keep things a little easier on your body. Herbs like parsley and cilantro are such an easy addition to your garden. They don't take up much space, so they're perfect for containers or a small corner of a bed. You can sow both of them right into the garden, which keeps things simple. They also do a little extra work for you. Parsley and cilantro help deter pests, and they attract those helpful insects you actually want around. It's a small plant that brings a lot of value, and it's nice having fresh herbs right at your fingertips when you need them. Start with just a few of these, and your garden will feel easier and more enjoyable this season. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe so you don't miss the next gardening video here at Blueberry Hill Creatives.